Hi guys, in this video we are going to be talking about the Pixi Hydrating Milky Collection, and in this one we have a makeup remover, a cleanser, a peeling product, a tonic, the Milky Serum and also a body and face lotion. So Pixi very kindly sent this to me in March and I have been using the products for about 6 weeks now. This video is not sponsored, I just wanted to share with you my experience with the products, what I like about them, what I don't, and I have some favorites. And the packaging is like milk cartons, which goes so well with the milky theme of the collection. On the side of the box it says skin loving benefits. It is so cute. All of the products are cruelty free and vegan, also paraben free. We have some key ingredients on all of the products like coconut extract, jojoba oil and probiotics. And I have actually done some research about the different extracts that we have for the products because I was like, what is happening? And I also wanted to educate myself. Today we're going to learn a little bit more about ingredients as well. Coconut extract can help with the hydration of your skin and to prevent any water loss. It is antifungal and antiviral. Jojoba oil also has some anti-inflammatory effect and it can be used on a variety of skin conditions like skin infections, aging, as well wound healing. And probiotics can help with skin rejuvenation. These products are suitable for any skin type. I have dry and sensitive skin, so we're gonna see how they worked for me. About the packaging, I think it is aesthetically pleasing. They don't look cheapish and they have a luxurious feeling to them. The price point for all of the products is between $20, which I think is okay for the quantity that we're getting and also the quality of the ingredients that we have in the formula. In this packaging, the products are aligned in the order that you can use them. So I'm going to start with the Hydrating Milky Makeup Remover, which is the first product that we have here. And this is how the Milky Makeup Remover looks. We have a plastic bottle, also a pump like this. You can use it with a towel or any pads that you have. As you can see, I have used half of it. The packaging is very practical in my opinion. In this one we have cinnamon extract and oat extract. So this one claims that it can remove waterproof and long wear eye, lip and face makeup. The consistency of this product is like micellar water. It is watery but it's not as drying as micellar water. Actually this is hydrating to the skin and I was very impressed that it doesn't leave a matte finish on my face after I have used it. It actually gives a very nice glowy finish. It also has a very light scent. It is very pleasant. Also all of the products are not heavily scented. I like that it gives a very nice hydrating feeling to the skin. It doesn't make it dry or tight. However, it doesn't remove waterproof mascara. Actually, I have a very difficult time to remove any type of mascara from my eyes. I don't really like this for my eye makeup. It is nice for the rest of the face. I like that it doesn't leave a greasy coating on the skin like some makeup removers do and then you feel your skin very oily. It is actually very lightweight and hydrating, and this is actually my least favorite product out of all of them today because it takes me so much time to remove my eye makeup. But I would like to try another makeup remover by Pixi because this one is just so nice on the skin. After that you can use the Milky Cleanser, and one of the key ingredients for this product is willow bark extract. For this product we have a squeezable tube. Super easy to use, especially if you want to have it in your bathroom and wash your face every day with it. I'm using this every morning and also on days that I have makeup on my face. On the back of each product we have the directions and it says for this one that you can apply a coin size amount of product, massage on the skin, and then you can remove it with a cloth or rinse off with water. So I have found out that you don't need a coin. It is a lot of product and you're going to have like a face mask on your face, but you don't actually need so much product. You can use a pea size amount and that's enough. If you use this coin size amount, it's not going to be very easy to remove it and you're going to need a towel. The reason that you don't need a lot of product is because it has a very spreadable formula, and after I rinse it off off. It leaves a very nice glowy finish on the skin. It doesn't make it dry, and it makes my skin smooth and moisturized, and it is actually very nice on the skin. This is one of the products that I would buy again. We are getting 135 milliliters. I think I can use this in a year, to be honest, because I'm not using a lot. And this is huge. The next product was very unique for me, at least, and this is a milky peel. It is a micro peeling cream. That means we don't actually have beads in the formula to exfoliate our skin. This is the beads. In this one we have cellulose to gently exfoliate, and also willow bark extract to refine pores. Use daily or as needed. This one has a nice consistency. It's not very watery, and the beads are not very small, so you can actually feel that you are exfoliating your skin. I'm using like a pea-size amount of product, and you can let it on your skin for 2 to 3 minutes. After that you start massaging on your face, and you're going to see that the cream is creating the beads, so the beads are the cream. And after that you can rinse off with water again. I like that it leaves the skin very smooth, glowy, it's not dry. It is a very comfortable peeling product for dry skin, I would say. I was very surprised that it makes my pores less visible. I wasn't expecting that. I actually liked it. So after that we have the Milky Tonic. This is a jojoba milk and oat soothing toner, and toners are something that I never use and I didn't have in my skincare routine, and I was a little bit concerned that this product was going to make my skin drier. This one here is alcohol free and it doesn't irritate my skin. In the beginning it feels a little bit sticky, and after a couple of seconds the skin becomes smooth. On me it was a little bit drying on the forehead and the jawline, but it was not uncomfortable. After we have removed everything from our face, we need to give back some hydration, and you can do that with this hydrating milky serum. And this is a revitalizing boost for your skin. It contains rose flower extract and also aloe vera and glycerin. And for this product we have a glass bottle, also a dropper, which is not working that well for me, but I can still take the product and use it on my face, so I don't really care because I like the formula so much. I can actually smell the rose flower extract. The scent is a little bit more noticeable than the other products. It smells so good. And this product can restore and soothe your skin. It is milky and serum. It is a very nice consistency. I really like the formula of this product. This serum is very spreadable. You don't need to use a lot. Also, I think that it says, 2-3 drops, so don't use a lot. You can use it day and night. Most of the times I'm using it at night, but sometimes also in the morning. It depends on how I feel, to be honest. It leaves a very nice glow to the skin. It's not looking greasy, and I think it feels very lightweight, so you can also use it if you have oily skin. I would buy this definitely, and it smells amazing. Here we have the hydrating milky lotion with coconut and shea butter, and this is a face and body moisturizer. How can a product like this work for someone with dry skin? Can someone explain this to me? It actually works. I can use it on my face. I was very surprised, and it feels very nice. The formula of this one is lightweight, and you can apply it all over your face very easily. It leaves a very light sheen, and also it makes my skin smoother. I really like this one as well, and I can use it all over my face and body. That's an extra point. I would say that this is not very hydrating without the serum or any other serum that I'm using. It doesn't have any SPF, so I'm using it only at night, and I'm always using skincare products with SPF in the morning. Even if you don't go outside, you still need to use your SPF at home. For me it was very impressive that these products didn't irritate my skin because they are designed for all skin types, and during these 6 weeks and more I have noticed that I get less breakouts. So the product that I wouldn't buy is for sure the makeup remover, and my favorite is the serum. I really like the serum. Let me know in the comments if you have any favorite Pixi makeup products or skincare products. You can also check this video here. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!